Hi, Ms.Xinh, I'm Hải. So today we'll talk about the topic I prefer living in the big city or living near nature. About myself, I prefer living in the big city than living near nature. And there are three main reasons for that. The first one, the better job opportunity. There are plenty of job opportunity awaiting us in the big city than in the village or in the countryside. What's more, we also find a vast variety job opportunity as well. And anything you study from the college, from the university, from the outside here, it's a visually granting to make you have a position. That better suit our education. And furthermore, we can pursue career while living within the big city. And the one thing for sure, when you have a lot of opportunity to get the job, you have to easier to get the job that suit with you, and you can earn a lot of money after that. The next one I want to say, this is a mass transportation system. One of the other good thing in living in the big city. When you live in the big city, a comprehensive transportation system we have. Not only are there bus and taxi, but there are also the train, subway, airplane that offer relatively quick and convenient for us to get one bond to another bond, and also a traffic a long way. Beside that, when you take the bus or the train, you have a lot of time free to focus something else, like reading the book, listen to music, or listen the favorite podcast, and it will help you have a more experience and a more knowledge. And when you transport and our eye drop the road. Yes, and because have a lot of traffic and have made and it's create a more noisy. And when you go the public transportation, you don't care. It's a bother to you. The last one I want to say, this is you will meet variety new people. In the big city, have a lot of people coming there every year. Students come here to go to the university or college, and someone else employee to come in there to get a job. Sometime in the weekend you have free time, and you to go out the coffee shop to rest, and you can join another group in the big city, and you can find a lot of friends with same the hobby with you, and you can meet a lot of people. Yeah, that's there are the three main reasons I want to share with you. Thank you for listening. But goodbye.